Hello and welcome to the new webinar of Atanor 118. In today's webinar, we will be talking about the use of biomimetic ingredients in cosmetics formulations and introducing our new biomimetic active called Olivan Diuvitae. But first, to understand the concept of biomimetic cosmetics, we need to explain what biomimetic or biomimicry means. The word biomimetic comes from the Greek word bio, meaning life, and mimesis, meaning to imitate. So biomimetic literally means to imitate life. Biomimicry is an approach to innovation that seeks to solve human challenges by looking to nature for inspiration. It involves studying the way living organisms have evolved over billions of years to adapt to their environments and using this knowledge to develop new technologies, processes, and designs that can help us solve problems in a more sustainable and efficient way. By drawing on the natural world for inspiration, biomimicry can lead to innovations that are more sustainable, efficient, and resilient, while also promoting a deeper understanding and appreciation of the natural world. How does the mimicry apply to cosmetic industry? The cosmetics industry has a long history of looking for latest innovations to take care of the skin and find the best anti-aging ingredients. One of these innovations that actually has been used since 1980s with, for example, Lancome's Neosome line and Dior's Capture line, but has found a new fame in the present day is biomimetic cosmetics. Biomimetic cosmetics are products that imitate or draw inspiration from the natural biological processes and substances found in living organisms. This approach to cosmetics is based on the idea that by mimicking the natural functions of the skin and its environment, cosmetic products can work more effectively and gently with the body, leading to better results. Biomimetic cosmetics can be formulated with ingredients that are biologically similar to those found in the skin, such as ceramides, fatty acids, and amino acids, or ingredients that will make our skin work as it naturally does. These ingredients can help to repair and strengthen the skin's natural barrier, protect against environmental stressors, and promote hydration and elasticity. Let's see a couple of examples to understand the concept better. If we want to raise collagen levels, we don't have to apply collagen to the skin, since collagen doesn't activate any function on the skin. We need to apply an ingredient that will provide the skin the tools it needs to produce collagen. Another example would be ceramides. In this case, ceramides are found naturally in the skin and work supporting the skin barrier and promoting moisture retention. Since ceramides have a function on the skin, we can apply skin-like ceramides to work like the ones already found on the skin. Biomimetic cosmetics are highly connected with biotechnology since advanced synthesis processes like biotechnology ones are required to synthesize these biomimetic compounds. This new way of making cosmetics aims to have a better efficacy, safety, and better compatibility with the skin, being called by experts the most effective natural way of skin care. Overall, the aim of biomimetic cosmetics is to create products that are not only effective and safe, but also respectful of the natural processes of the skin, promoting healthy and balanced skin in the long term. There are many examples of biomimetic cosmetics on the market today. Moisturizers with ceramides is the first one. Ceramides are lipids found naturally in the skin that help to strengthen the skin barrier and prevent moisture loss. Moisturizers that contain ceramides mimic the skin's natural barrier function, helping to keep the skin hydrated and healthy. The second examples are sunscreens with zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is a mineral that provides broad spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays. Sunscreens that use zinc oxide as the active ingredient mimic the way that some organisms, such as coral for example, protect themselves from the sun's harmful rays. Then we have hair products with silk amino acids. Silk amino acids are derived from the protein found in silk fibers. They have a similar chemical composition to the proteins in hair, making them effective at strengthening and repairing damaged hair. And the last example are facial oils with squalane. Squalane is a natural lipid found in the skin that helps to keep it hydrated. Facial oils that contain squalane mimic the skin's natural lipid barrier, helping to prevent moisture loss and improve skin texture. Why is it becoming a trend? First, because natural ingredient. Consumers are increasingly interested in natural and organic products, and biomimetic cosmetics often use natural ingredients that are similar to those found in the skin. This can make them appealing to consumers who are looking for gentler and more sustainable alternatives to traditional cosmetics. Also, here is effectiveness. By mimicking the natural processes of the skin, biomimetic cosmetics can be more effective at addressing specific skin concerns such as hydration, protection, and repair. This can make them popular among consumers who are looking for products that deliver visible results. Safety also, because biomimetic cosmetics can be more sustainable and they are often perceived as safer and less likely to cause irritation or adverse reaction. And the last reason is sustainability. Biomimetic cosmetics can be more sustainable than traditional cosmetics because they are designed to work with the natural processes of the skin rather than against them. This can lead to products that are more biodegradable, eco-friendly, and respectful of the environment. Overall, the trend towards biomimetic cosmetics reflects a growing interest in products that are both effective and sustainable, and that work in harmony with the natural processes of the body. Let's meet now Olivan Diuvitae, our new biomimetic ingredient. Olivan Diuvitae is our new upcycled and biomimetic active ingredient obtained from the byproduct of the olive oil refinery and is made of 92% of olive squalane. Squalane is considered a biomimetic ingredient in cosmetics because it is a natural lipid that is found in the skin's sebum. Sebum is an oily substance that is produced by the sebaceous glands and helps to moisturize and protect the skin. Squalane is a major component of sebum and is important for maintaining the skin's hydration and barrier function. Biomimetic cosmetics then often use squalane as an ingredient because it is biocompatible with the skin and can help to mimic the natural lipid barrier of the skin, preventing moisture loss and improving skin texture. Let's now meet properties of Olivan Diuvitae. First, it is a hydration dual system that at one side prevents water loss and provides the skin with a new sources of hydration as well. It has a triple antioxidant activity, first scavenging free radicals and neutralizing them before they can cause damage to the cells, then protecting cell membranes from the oxidative damage and stimulating the production of other antioxidants, superoxide dismutase and glutathione. It has also two different anti-inflammatory pathways. First, it acts by reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines that are small proteins released by cells that play a key role in the inflammatory response, and then also by inhibiting the activation of nuclear factor kappa B. This is a transcription factor that regulates the expression of genes involved in inflammation. R. Olive squalane mimics the squalane found in the sebum of the skin and imitates its biological function and processes. These functions are moisturizing the skin by creating a barrier that locks in the moisture, then preventing the skin dryness, then protecting the skin from bacteria, pollutants, and UV rays, and regulating the oil production. Also, squalane is a cholesterol precursor that, that is the fat that maintains the skin structure and function. At the age of 30, its production drastically slows down. With Olivan Diuvitae, we help the skin produce the cholesterol. Squalane can also be used like a material of topically applied vehicles like lipid emulsions. It has the ability to incorporate actives with poor solubility within the dispersal phase and gives stability to the oil-water emulsions. Thanks to squalane's great power of penetration to the skin, it is a great carrier for cosmetic active ingredients into the skin. In vivo and vitro studies show anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capacity of Olivan Diuvitae as well as its calming and soothing properties. Let's look at our studies that we done on this product. In the first study, we evaluated the in vitro effects of Olivan Diuvitae on the expression of genes involved in inflammation and oxidative stress in human keratinocytes. When used at 0.3%, we can confirm that Olivan Diuvitae has an anti-inflammatory capacity up to 84.5%, that has a cell survival capacity up to 99%, an anti-inflammatory regulation capacity up to 62%, and an antioxidant capacity up to 69%. Our in vivo study analyzes the calming effect of the base cream formulated with the product Olivan Diuvitae at 3% after its topical application on the forearm of volunteers who had induced irritation by applying an occlusive capsaicin patch. By application of the capsaicin patch, we induced the local sensitization to activation by heat, acidosis, and endogenous agonists. Topical exposure led to the sensation of heat, burning, stinging, and itching. The analysis showed a statistically significant improvement by soothing and calming effect on the skin until 11.7% in comparison with basal values after just 90 minutes. Almost 90% of participants claim that Olivan Diuvitae reduces itchy skin and skin redness, stimulates skin recovery, and moisturizing the skin. And here at the end, we have some information about recommended dosage of Olivan squalane when formulated in the final products, depending on the final product we are formulating. If you want more information about product Olivan Diuvitae, you can let us know in the comments or write an email to info@atanor118.es. Thank you very much for your attention.